Hello student, in the previous video we will see about the modern child center education learning through discovery. In this video we will see about the learning through dialogue. This approach, learning through dialogue, is based on the thought that we cannot merely learn through books. There is a need that teachers and students learn about themselves in the process of teaching and learning. Now, what is dialogue, or what is the definition of dialogue? The conversation between the two people and also an exchange of opinion and ideas. And we can also say that it is an inquiry which begins without knowing. J. Krishnamurti suggests the use of this dialogue method. The more the exchange of ideas, more the inspiration to acquire more knowledge. We will see about the dialogue method. These are the some points regarding this dialogue method. In dialogue method, there is a less of teacher control and the student is given more freedom. The shift is from more teacher talk to more student talk. In dialogue method, the students is not expected to give the routine monotonous responses but has to think critically, reason and analyze. Teacher also in turn is not expected to merely repeat the answers given by students but has to guide them to continue the conversation so as to encourage the thinking and develop their speaking skill. A dialogue is like a joint inquiry where the student construct their own meaning. The questions asked in this method are not merely to test memorization of knowledge but reflect, develop and extend the thinking of the students. Hence, the questions asked by the students are as important as those asked by the teacher. Now, in dialogue method, students engage in exploratory talk, interthinking and problem solving. Let's see about the exploratory talk. Exploratory talk. In exploratory talk, students work in a group. In group work, an exchange of ideas and opinions and build up a sharing knowledge. Exploratory talk is like thinking loudly, hypothesis, and they will exchange their idea about the answers by listening to each other and the teacher and considering their responses. Exploratory talk is related with how students think but needed to be guided by the teacher. Interthinking. This interthinking refers to making your thoughts clear to yourself so that you can explain them to your partners. You should be able to engage with your own thoughts critically and deal with alternative suggestions given by your partner. This is the stage of joint engagement with each other ideas and makes a mutual meaning acceptable to both. Problem solving. Problem solving enables the students to engage in collaborative talk. Problem solving in groups enable the student makes the students look at a particular problem from various angles or perspectives and hence develop a better insight into it. Some features of these effective dialogues are: every student engaged in the dialogue. Then students' talk is more than the teacher talk. Students are ready to accept and change their point of view if justified. The student shows higher level thinking and they must mutually respect and open communication. These are the features of effective dialogues. What is the role of teacher in this dialogue method? Teacher has to be ready to ask a rich or higher order level questions. Also, teacher preparing the student for collaborative work. Collaborative work means the behavior that are expected during this group work. Providing some instruction to the student, explaining and relationship among the students. Teachers should give sufficient time for the student to respond. And teacher supervise and monitor the dialogue. Teacher promotes for continuation or correction in the conversation. This is the role of teacher in the method of dialogue. What is the role of these students in this method of dialogue? The role of students are: they are actively participated in the dialogue, they accept the other views graciously, engage in higher order thinking, and they take efforts to gather a knowledge. Now we will see what are the benefits of this method, that is the dialogue method. The benefits are: the students become co-creators of knowledge along with the teacher. Students remain active in this method. It helps to make the student reflect, develop and extend their thinking. This method gives the opportunity to the student to apply their knowledge to the new situations. Students learn to show mutual respect and participate in communication with an open mind. Now, there are some limitations to this method. Difficult method to be used for younger students, and success of this method also depend on the language development of the students, and it is also depend on the readiness to participate in the dialogue, which is essential requirement which all students may not have. Acceptability of views of others can prove to be a great challenge for some students.